Welcome to our Ibogaine retreat. At Sayulita Wellness, we merge modern technology with ancient plant medicine to help treat addiction and create profound spiritual transformation. At our retreat, we offer a comprehensive Ibogaine treatment program designed to help you break free from addiction and experience profound spiritual transformation. Our treatments are conducted under the strict supervision of qualified medical professionals, ensuring your safety and comfort throughout the process. We integrate holistic therapies such as yoga, meditation, sound therapy, hypnotherapy, psychotherapy, and ice therapy to support your overall well-being and enhance the healing process. Our individualized treatment plans are tailored to your specific needs, with the support of qualified psychologists and medical staff, providing personalized care and support to ensure lasting recovery. Located in a secluded and tranquil oceanfront penthouse with a gym and spa on site, our retreat offers comfortable private accommodations and attentive hospitality staff, providing the perfect setting for you to focus on your recovery journey. Beyond addiction treatment, we encourage personal growth and self-discovery, equipping you with the tools to build a fulfilling and balanced life while connecting with others going through similar challenges. Why choose us? For 14 years, we have been dedicated to providing a safe and transformative healing experience. Our retreat stands out for its commitment to safety, holistic approach, and personalized care. Our experienced staff and serene environment provide the perfect conditions for healing and transformation. Hear from those who have walked this path and emerged stronger. Join us at our Ibogaine retreat and take the first step towards a new life with a new beginning. Contact us today to learn more and start your journey.